I'm just gonna grab a code. I'm just gonna grab a random code. I grabbed a YouTube map code. So if you want to place your bets off of this being a YouTube map code, okay, then sure. No point of playing maps if you won't even do it. The maps suck though. Like, that map didn't suck, but I already played it. I remember that jump being dumb, and I have no patience today for dumb jumps, so I'll have to afford it. I need like a super mega baby map to like hold my hand and make me feel like I'm a good player, you know? 10k points on yes. Who would know? This map doesn't look bad. This map actually looks playable. I think, honestly, I might get through this map. This map looks good. Okay, and I got lucky. There we go. Got lucky again. This map seems like it's pretty easy. Ah! Swag. I think, honestly, this map is pretty playable. I think I will finish this map. You know, I didn't think it would be good because it was a YouTube map, but maybe actually the Twitch maps are trash and the YouTube maps are good. Imagine if there's no checkpoints. If I would have gotten no checkpoints and had myself camper Wi-Fi, I probably would have alt F4. Okay. I didn't alt F4. How grand. How great. No. Yes. Unlucky. Unlucky. Who put 10k? Haroon. Unlucky, Haroon. I've alt F4 literally like every other map. But this one was good, bro. This one was good. Hey, Lucy XSG. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. The time you put points on the line, you actually play it. Bro, the map was cake. Like, for me to alt F4 this map, there would have had to be no checkpoints. And, I died to camper Wi-Fi, like I did. So there was like a solid chance I die there. If the dev was bad and didn't put checkpoints, probably would have alt F4'd. Do a prediction if anyone beats my map. Okay.